how to add a domain to your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to your WordPress dashboard, as you can see right here. Now go to this upgrades option and click domains right here. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is click just search for a domain, and now add your name here or your website name and choose the domains that are available for you. After you choose the domain, click on it, click select, and it will take you directly to this page. Now you will be able to fill those informations and your domain will be updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.